Hello everyone, good morning. I'm Payal again. So today I'll show you the exercises, progression of core strengthening exercises on physio ball which I have left before. So I'm continuing with the next exercise. So for that you just need to use physio ball. Go on the physio ball like this, and you can take support of one hand over here and lift your one hand, one shoulder up and one leg up like this. Hold for 5 seconds like this. Hold for 5 seconds. And if your core muscles are weak, then you will get one finger support forward and backward. My core is weak, that's why I am using support and relax. Then on other side the same way, hold for 5 seconds and relax. You can repeat this both exercises for 5 to 10 times, and according to your core activation and core strengthening you can repeat it. And I'm going forward with next exercises, and in that you just need to go like this. Take two hand support and lift one leg, then try to lift other leg together. So you just need to lift both the legs together and hold it for 5 seconds with tummy tuck and glute squeeze and relax down. Just make sure while doing this you just need to maintain your tummy tuck and glute squeeze so that your core will engage more and your like stability will improve on unstable surface. So I'll do it again. Just make sure one more thing, like if you are doing on an unstable surface like physio ball or medicine ball, then you just need to be careful, because if you'll fall down then it will get hurt you. So just make sure that you are doing in a correct position and doing exercise carefully. So I'm doing it again. I supported my pelvis, whole pelvis on the physio ball so that I can do it more. I lifted my both legs up, tummy tuck and glute squeeze, hold for 5 seconds and down. Again, tummy tuck and glute squeeze, both the legs up, hold for 5 seconds and down. Now we have did the previous exercise. We can also do this exercise without hold, like go on a physio ball, then like this, 1 2 3 4 5, relax. This is one set, you need to do 3 sets. So again, 1 2 3 4 5. I'll do on another side, 1 2 3 4 5. Again, 1 2 5. Now with both legs together like this, 1 2 3 4 5. Just make sure your weight should be on your hand so you can able to stable the wall and do the movement perfectly. Try to engage your core like tummy tuck and glute squeeze, and like do 1 2 3 4 5. One more time. You need to do 3 sets of 5 repetitions. 1 2 3 4 5. I'm doing it again. 1 2 3 4 5. Now one more exercise I will explain you, like when we are doing like prone on elbow exercise. You can do this exercise on wall like this. Prone on elbow like this. Hold for 5 seconds and relax. While relaxing, you can bend your knee so that you can be comfortable. Same way again. Prone on elbow with core engagement like tummy tuck and glute squeeze. It will engage your core and strengthen your core muscles. Relax. Again. Engage your core, tummy tuck, glute squeeze. Hold for 5 seconds. Maintain it and relax. This is the prone on elbow exercise with hold. We can also do this exercise without hold like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. But just make sure that while doing this continuous movement, repetitive movement, you need to be careful that your ball should be should be maintained properly, and you need to like do it properly. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Now, thank you.